The thing you should mention in the report is Lynn, the file can run on Excel. Is a small file, very very tiny size. But if the file is a huge file, very heavy file, like 200 megabyte.
Okay, got it. So you mean if the file size is very big, we better use the Talent to finish this part.
Why Tracy cannot join?
I think you need to admit her to join on this meeting.
Yep, I did, but why it not work so far? Yeah, I click admit 3 times. It's weird. Can you hear Tracy? Tracy, can you hear something?
She cut out.
What happened with Zoom today?
I think she didn't open her microphone.
Can you hear something, Tracy? I don't move her. Unmove on. Yeah, and Tracy, can you hear? Can you hear Tracy? Can you hear?
Hello.
Hello.
哎呦我天，这笨的哟！我的天，哎呦 ，Oh my god！ Yeah, stupid， 傻逼！来 ，Go ahead。
Okay, so the second
那转阵地了还是客厅了？
Yeah, Lynn, the second thema, just repeat for the next column, the single how. It will be,
okay, got it.
Yeah, it will just take this guy, go to the end, copy on this guy to the end, and copy on the title here, go to the end, and duplicate everything here.
Okay, got it.
So on the thema, one thema, 2 thema, 3 thema, 4 thema, everything on thema will be one by one like this. But you need the thing is united here to join the first part here with the second part, with the third part, with the fourth part together to be one file.
One file? Okay.
Yep. So I will note it here. Transpose step 3 is thema. Oh, did it Excel file?
Okay.
But you will write it in here, ETL. So you will import file. You will do thema. You will do T united, and then here you sort the row by word number.
Oh.
Sort the row. So you will see all the information of 0, and then you see all the information of 1, all the information of 2, like this. That is the sort. And after all, let me let you see the look row. What is the outcome? So after we design everything, we can run the job, and you can see the result. So you can see the result exactly like Excel did. You can see 0, 0, Toronto, total of how. It looks exactly like this. See?
Yeah.
So I will give Linh one Excel ETL, this talent, and another talent.
Okay, no problem. 2 talent?
2 talent.
Okay.
No. I think I give you the one talent is one talent is profile doing. I will take note here. Let me check the name. Profile doing ETL. Okay, and Linh, I will let you because you are good at Thailand, so I will let you learn how to I design this one. Profile label for. So you will Thailand to profile. I forgot label for. Okay, so you will the job is a very simple label for here. So the original data also similar. We have a lot of things about it, so we don't use. So we go to version 1. We just cut the top, cut the bottom. That's it. And then we copy the file like this. See, just similar, and we use transpose here. That is the thing this Thailand do. Just transpose, just change the column to the row, to column. So it will take the original like this, And turn the row to column, column to row, like this. So we run the job. Yeah, similar with the report you do for Thailand SBA. You will screenshot the whole design. You will explain one by one element here. You can see the result like this. See, the Toronto is zero. The zero. The number is 20,000 something. So you can see it's turned into exactly here. With Toronto is 0, 20,000 something here. So the job just simple. Copy the file, turn the row to column, like this. Just that's it. Got it?
The talent's job is transpose.
Yes, talent job is transpose.
Okay.
Just transpose. Turn column into row. So you will write very very similar with everything below. You will write the original problem of file. You will write a screenshot expected outcome and ETL step. Okay, so your job just write one Excel, 2 Thailand. Good. Okay. I will I will give me 1 minute to find the file of I think that is I think I deleted that, but that's okay. So now it's Tracy. Okay. Tracy, you will write about the dataset of Airbnb housing in Canada. So you will write dataset introduction. And the dataset is from Airbnb free dataset bank, this website. And yeah, you can write in something introduction like the Airbnb is the company provide housing, leasing for apartment, for housing, for room, something like that. And I look up on the city in Canada by Control F, and you can see here. So it will show all the data set of one city. So you can see Airbnb only visited in some city in Canada: Montreal, New York, Ottawa, Quebec City, Toronto, Vancouver, Victoria, Montreal. Yeah, just that's it. So you will skip the link here, and you will introduce where the data come from.
Okay.
Okay, good. The first thing is the data set of of Airbnb is super complicated in comparison with the data set of Toronto. It works bad with Thailand. I will show you, and you can copy the way I writing here. So you go to Andre Brightspace, right? And then you go to activity here. And you go to discussion here. So you will see all the question I sent to Andre here. So I asked Andre many questions here, but he only had me one question.
Yeah.
So you will go to the title, handle big data from Airbnb. Oh, here, sorry. A problem to load a CSV file. Here.
Problem to logos. Okay.
Okay, so you go to here, and you will see the content I write here. So you can simply copy and paste the problem here.
Yeah.
Yep. So you will see all the picture and problem here, and Andre give the answer here, and he mentioned you might consider this is a great example of what should we do in document the issue and how to fit it. So Andre very like this topic. You got the point. The problem is above. The solution is from Andre. And you can use the picture around here.
Okay.
So that is a very different way to import the metadata here.
Metadata here.
I think Tracy will good when you explain what is a standard EOI, what is a escape chapter like this, test enclosure like this. So you will look up the Google, find the document. Okay. Yeah. So your job is like this. You will do one topic for
ETL for talent.
For ETL import a huge file, huge CSV file. CSV.
So it means insert the CSV file. Yeah.
Yep.
So the problem is insert the CSV file to talent.
Okay. Yeah. So that is from Brightspace.
Okay, got it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, I will do it now to let you see one time. Job, create job. Airbnb import CSV. Okay. So you will go to you will do like I did here. You will go to metadata. Take note.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
Okay, I just take notes. Yeah.
Yeah. Because take note is a save time. So for example, I will delete the data of Toronto, and I will do it again to let you see. So you will go to file delimited here. You will create a file delimited here, and then you type the name Airbnb listing Toronto. Uh-oh. Okay, so I will select the Airbnb Toronto here and format is window. And then from here, that is the thing we very normal to do for Thailand. But now
yeah.
we have to follow the help from Andre here.
Yeah.
So we change a lot. Change here, comma. Yeah, you know what is mean of this one. You will know. Change here, set it here. Refresh. So it will be show like this, similar with Andre. And next. Okay, so the Thailand will give you this one, and then you drop and draw the file here. We can quick check with the log row. Can it working? Good. Yeah, but we don't let this guy running because it is a nearly 1 million row. So we just kill it. Your job is not simple that much. Your job is you will do a DMARC here because this table have a lot of information. I will show you.
Yeah.
This table have 30 different variable. And for example, the house have the house ID, the name, the space, something, the picture, the URL, whatever. And then they have the information of the host ID, host name, host picture, something like this, relevant to the host. And it have the information of street, latitude, longitude, zip code, whatever. Here is location. It also have many information about how many bedroom, and price. That is a huge CSV. So you already know third normal line, right? So we will do, for example, we will export one table for the house.
So okay, just
so,
keep the information we use.
Yeah, so we will separate this huge table into different table. For example, from ID to picture, that is all information about the house. We put it in the house table. The problem is some hot ID here have many house.
Okay.
So for example, if Lynn have 3 Airbnb room, her host ID will repeat 3 times.
Yeah.
Right. In room 1, room 2, and room 3. Right. So we will create a new output like host or landlord. Here. And we put all information from hot ID to hot identification verify.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
And
address.
Yeah. And you can see from address to latitude and longitude and location. It should be the information about location.
Location.
Oh, but we should put the how ID here to be the primary key of table, because
for the host also need the primary key to be the host ID, or
yeah, you smart. We should have the table how and host.
okay, because we can't get the relationship.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you smart. We should have the table how and host or ownership. You smart. Good. So you can put our ID here and host ID here.
Okay.
So, good.
Good.
So go back to location. So we can finish location here, right? Good. So
Yeah.
far so good, JC.
So that's so good. Yeah.
Yep. Yep. So that is the job of normalization. On the other information, maybe let me check. We can check together. That is probably time. Oh, they have a price weekly, monthly deposit. Okay, so I think here it should be the access. From bedroom, bedtime something should be.
I think maybe should name is the house properties.
Yeah, I think we can call it facility.
Facilities, okay.
Yep. So we also need the how ID here. Oh, it's a the Zoom section is finished. So let me close the Zoom and open a new Zoom.